Today we're diving into Tempo Labs, an AI website builder that promises to simplify web design. But can it really deliver on that promise? Let's explore whether it's worth your time and effort or just another tool in a crowded market. Tempo Labs aims to make website building accessible to everyone, regardless of technical skill. At its core, the platform uses AI to automate much of the design process. You start by selecting a template, and then the AI helps customize it based on your inputs. It's designed for small business owners, freelancers, and anyone who needs a quick online presence. One of the standout features is the intuitive drag-and-drop interface, making it easy for users to add elements like images, texts, and buttons without needing to code. However, while the ease of use is a significant plus, I did notice that some customization options felt limited, especially for those with a more creative vision. Additionally, there's a notable lack of detailed resources or tutorials which might leave some users scratching their heads when trying to maximize the tool's capabilities. Overall, while the concept is solid, there are areas where clarity and guidance could really enhance the user experience. So, what are the pros and cons of Tempo Labs? On the positive side, the AI-driven approach can save a lot of time, especially for those who are not tech-savvy. The drag-and-drop builder is user-friendly, which is great for quick setups. However, there are some frustrations. Customization options can feel quite restrictive, which might not satisfy users looking for a unique design. Additionally, the lack of comprehensive tutorials or support can be a downside, particularly for beginners who might need a bit more guidance. Trust is another concern. There isn't much public feedback available to gauge user experiences, and while the pricing details aren't clear from the site, it's essential to weigh whether you're getting enough value for what you pay. In conclusion, Tempo Labs is ideal for those who need a straightforward and quick way to build a website without coding. However, if you're looking for extensive customization or support, you might want to explore other options. It's worth a try, but just be aware of its limitations before diving in.